Welcome to Studycast. This video will provide you with a brief walkthrough of Studycast's features, allowing you to begin reading studies in just a few short minutes. In order to view studies in Core Web, you must have the Adobe Reader and Flash plugins. To see whether or not the Flash player is installed on your computer, go to corestudycast.com, click Support, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click the Plugin Test button. You will see check marks next to the plugins that you have on your computer, and X marks next to those that you don't. Only the Flash Player and Adobe Reader plugins are required. If a plugin is not installed, click the icon for that plugin. This will open a new window with a link to download the file. To log in, simply enter your username and password in the corresponding fields. Clicking the Forgot Password link brings you to a page that allows you to enter your email address and subsequently have an email containing your credentials sent to that address. For any questions concerning the login process, contact Studycast support by phone, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 919-277-0636, or by submitting a support request on corestudycast.com. When you log into Core Web, the first thing you will see is the Studies page. You will receive studies in batches of 10 while reading for Camp India. When you receive your studies, they will all be of preliminary status. Once you read and approve them, their status will change automatically to final status, and the final report will be sent to the camp in India where it will be delivered to the patient. There are 4 icons at the right side of the table. For our purposes, however, only the computer monitor icon and the clipboard icon will be used. The computer monitor icon opens the study viewer, allowing you to view the study images. You can maneuver through the images by clicking the Next and Previous buttons, or by using the up and down arrows on your keyboard. Clicking the clipboard icon at the right of the main viewer will take you directly to the worksheet for this study. This is where you can complete the interpretation for the study. If you are using a dual monitor setup with your computer, you can view study images and loops on one monitor and enter information into the study worksheet on the other monitor. After making the correct selections from the observations dropdowns, you can click the Generate button next to Findings to automatically generate finding sentences below. The same process can also be used to automatically generate conclusion sentences. If you make changes to the observations dropdowns, clicking Generate again will automatically reflect those changes in the findings and conclusions sentences. You can edit any of the automatically generated findings or conclusions by editing the text just as you would in a word processor. You can also select any options that apply from the additional comments dropdowns that correspond to either findings or conclusions. At the bottom of the worksheet, there are 3 buttons: Save, Preview Report, and Approve Study. Clicking Save will save any changes you have made on the worksheet. Clicking Preview Report will save the report and then allow you to view a preliminary copy of it before the study is approved and a final report is sent to the on-site participants in Camp India. Clicking Approve Study will of course approve the study, automatically changing its status to final and sending a copy of the final report to India. This has been a brief overview of the features you will be likely to use. However, if you need any further assistance, you can find a full suite of in-depth Core Web training videos at corestudycast.com. Or you can contact Studycast support at 919-277-0636, and we will do our best to help you with any and all questions you may have.